Hey guys, this is the Ring Video Doorbell 2. We're going to do a quick unboxing video and an install to show you that you too can get your video doorbell installed without any problems. This is the included wedge kit that comes in handy if you're installing on a flat surface and need to increase your viewing angle. Here's everything that comes in the box. There's a couple of other things, but for the most part, here's everything you get. You got the drill bit, the level, the battery, the included doorbell, the USB cable, the multi-tool, and of course your additional cover. The Ring doorbell comes with this plate that you can use to mark the holes on your wall. It comes in handy. So here I am, putting it on my wall, checking for level, and marking my drill marks. It was about this time that I realized, oops, I drilled the wrong holes. Now I gotta rethink this. It didn't take me long to fix my mistake. I just had to make sure to use the right holes. Here I'm showing you the diode that's only going to be used if you have a digital chime. I'm also showing the wire extensions that you can use if needed. For me, I decided that I needed the extra length. Here I am connecting one end of the wire to one of the two that's coming out of my existing doorbell, and attaching the wire nuts that were included. Okay, so there you have it. The Ring Video Doorbell 2 installed. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Thanks.